How to log into PNC Bank Online Banking account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open up your preferred web browser and now on the search bar, search for pnc.com. Once you're on this website, click on the sign in button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now here you need to enter your user ID. Once that is done, on the second box, enter your password. Now you can check this box that says remember user ID if you want to remember your credentials. Remember only to do this if you are using a personal computer. Then if you have forgotten your ID or password, click on this link to retrieve it. If you are new to online banking, click on enroll to create a new account. Then click on the login button. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.